Hey guys, Peter from EJ Todd here, out today in Moreton Bay. I've got Shane from Charltons on board, and we're currently having a bit of a go on a wreck for some Jew. And we'll have a bit of a look around today, probably try and catch a Jew, try and catch a snapper, and we'll try and catch some squid too. We're both pretty keen on catching squid, so that's the plan for this afternoon. Beautiful glass out in Moreton Bay, absolutely gorgeous conditions, so see how we go. Oh, I see something up. I think I've seen one. Yep, I can see squid. That's a big one too. Just to the left of where that is, pretty sure. Oh no, that was the bottom, I think. Here he comes, here he comes. Yep, got him.
Yeah?
Yep, see him? Big one too. Like I said, seen him from a mile away.
Where's your net?
Back right hand corner, so driver's back corner. Well, I am well known for my eyesight when it comes to seeing birds out in the open bay, but that was pretty next level to see that squid from here. And I can still see more up in there, man. There's quite a few up in there. That's a really good sized squid, that one. Yes.
Nice, man. It's a good squid.
All right. So, you see that floating stuff?
Yeah, the floating.
Okay, about 5 meters in front of that.
Yeah.
So just casted that floating.
Okay.
And they're right in there, man. Yep, he's coming out a bit. There's heaps in there. All right, you're right next to him. Give it a twitch. Now let it sink and you should be on. Has he got it? What's going on? What's wrong with your squid? You got one. He's got it, he's got it, he's got it. He's got it, he's got it.
Right. No, bottom. It was bottom.
No, that was the squid. I could see him, mate. Oh, that's a beauty of a squid I've got. He had that. He turned white. Yep, there we go. 2 and 2 casts.
Oh yeah, I can see him now. Yeah.
I got the big daddy on the first cast. Yep, there's a big one right there. Let it sink, let it sink.
Man, your eyes are good because I can't see.
Has he got it? No, I can't see him. I can't see your squid jiggers, so I can't. Watch that ledge, man. Recast a good cast length over the top of that and you should get him. All right, there's number 2. We'll drop him in as well. He's not as big, but he'll do because they're solid. Makes those arrow squid I was catching the other day look tiny.
Yep, got him.
Got him, good boy. Well, there's another one there too next to him. All right, we're on here. This is the squid session I'll be waiting for. I'll bring the net around. It's another good sized squid. Yep, got him. Get my squid up here. I'll snag her up. Oh, they're still there. There's still at least 2 there that I can see. One big one. Watch this. I'm going to drop it. Did he see it? I can't. He's disappeared on me. I don't know if he's seen it. He's a big squid, that one. I've lost him again.
Your eyes are good, man. I can't see him. Even with my polar eyes.
I've lost him now. Pump one a bit further. Oh, there he is. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Yep, he's got that. He's seen that. Surely he's on that. No. He definitely moved. Oh, he's got it. Oh, he had a go at it. He missed it. Well, he's following it now. He's following it. He's not eating it though. He's coming down for it. He's coming down for it. Got it. Yep. There's another one behind it too. All right. So the Jew fishing wasn't any good, but geez, the squid fishing's pretty good. I was about to head out to Harry's and go chase a snapper or something out there, but really glad I didn't now, because this is cool. Look at the size of that squid. That's a belter. That is an absolute belter of a squid. Oh. We are on here. Oh, just got me a bit.
Oh, yep.
Got me a bit. Clean up time, aisle 3. Oh, not the new Dobbin shirt with squid ink, no. Got him? Yep, got him, yes.
Oh, yeah, this one's got a bit of weight too.
See if I can see any more. Yep, there's another 2 up there.
Yep, I can see them.
Oh no, and another one in behind it. I didn't see those ones, but yep, one's coming for it, coming for it.
Oh, dropped him. Dropped him.
Oh, he didn't eat it, he come for it. Where'd he go? Can you see him? I can't.
Oh yeah, there he is.
No, that's a fish, I think.
Oh, is that a fish? It's a fish.
Here comes one. He's right up on the surface following it, but he didn't eat it. See how I have a quick. He's just there. Just there. He's on it, I'm pretty sure. Yep, got him. Dude, this is an oh, this thing's got some power. This is an all-time squid session on spot lock, just hauling squid that are all sight cast pretty much. So I've seen, geez, they've really put some size on these squid too, haven't they? Not facing that way this time.
yeah, good idea for that, Pete.
All right, we might get some of these out of the net. I don't want to lose any of these because my nets have got holes in them. So, oh, geez, they're good squid. Might live well them.
Yeah.
All right, check these squid out, people. This is pretty cool. Oh, dude, that's a squid session and a half there. Oh, wow. So we're really just sort of seeing some squid up on this. We've got some rocks that go shallow, and in front of the rocks there's a bay, and they're sitting in front of the bay. We're both throwing Yamashita jigs. I've got a neon bright in blue and purple, and that's alive in the NMI color. I forget the number, it's like a 027 or something like that, but that's 2.5 as well, I think.
2.5, yep.
And yeah, just casting along this bay. I'll move up in a second because I can't quite see any, but they were quite black when they were sitting up on there, and then as soon as you throw a squid jig in, they change colour and go really quite light and come in and grab the jig. And once you hook them, they change colour again. So really interesting sort of animal on how they feed and colour change, this sort of thing. So all right, I'll move a bit forward a bit more and try and get a couple more in this bay. Shane's just using a normal bait cast rod. I've got a specific squid rod. Look, I think a specific squid rod gives you more action on the lure, but it's not essential. If you do a lot of it, it's probably worthwhile getting one. If you don't do a great deal, you know, you just use whatever basically. I'll get my magic eyes in there, see if I can see some more. There's actually a little bit of current here, eh?
Yeah.
Which is good. You want a bit of current when you're squid jigging. Chasing squid, I should say. All right, let's keep moving forward. Put on north up. Number 2 or something, and just cast up ahead of us and work these jigs back with the current. soon as we hook one, we'll focus on the area again, because as you've seen, they school up pretty good. I think it's that sight element, to be honest, that I like the most with squid fishing. It's not always sight element, but when it is, it's really good fun. That was a definite sight element to those fish, squid, I should say.
Definitely, yeah. Yeah, being able to see them, target them.
But it's a funny one because you don't necessarily get the bite. So you've got slack in your line, you've got the jig sitting on the bottom, and you see the squid jump on it, you're like,
yeah,
I've got one, before you physically can feel it. So it's interesting. Very different to a fish where you'll feel the bite. And we've got a rising tide, so obviously the water's coming up onto this bank here. So I think the squid, like anything on a rising tide, might be looking to move up into the shallows as the water comes in. So I don't recommend 4 pound leader, probably 8. But I was chasing a bream the other day, so I had 4 pound leader tide on, and I wasn't really going to change it. Yeah. I can't see that at all, so I'd say she's gone. It's amazing how clear the water is at the moment. It's super clear. Oh, there it is. I see my jig. So the other side, this bit of rock here. Hopefully I don't hit the bottom with it. See if I can get my jig with me rod. Oh, he's got it. Oh, first go, he got it. So yes, you can use 4 pound leader, it's fine. Just gotta be willing to do that. Not ideal. Ooh, ooh, actually, my knot came under. So yeah, 4 pounds fine. Saw some bait flick over there. I'll have a cast. It's always worth a go. Oh, one had come. Had a go at it. Oh, he spooked. He spooked. He grabbed it, and then when I was moving, he's spooking. Real brown looking. Yeah, I know. That's why I was winding in, because I was about to do something about that, and then I felt the weight, and then he followed it in. Something followed. I think it's fish. Oh, here he comes, flying in. Wow, that was quick. He just touched it and then let go. Go a bit long. That's it, drop it there. He just touched it and then bailed on it. A different coloured squid jig, you might get a result.
Yep, coming.
Is he? There's fish there as well.
Come on, grab it.
I think he's got it, has he? Yep, he's got it. Yep. Cool. That's one to look at, is the changing the colour of the squid jig. I've found that in the past, that if they spook on a colour they've touched and felt the hooks, changing the, oh, you bugger. Oh, you bugger. Oh, that's it.
Hang on, let me let him, I'll get him to ink out, and then we'll do it. Bugger.
No, I've got some cleaning up to do here. Let me squid jig up. Oh no, there's another one. Yeah, there's another one following my jig. Yeah, here comes another. Yep, bigger one, bigger. Oh, he just. Oh, He's coming, he's coming. Oh, he got him, yes. There's another one behind him, see him? Behind him? There's two more behind him.
Okay.
Just go past me, about 10, maybe 5. They're just drifting off a bit further. That's it. Okay, yeah, here they come now. See him? All right, I'll quickly get this one in. Don't eat me, don't eat me. Good boy. Oh, just missed me. Look at them, they're coming. Coming for your jig, coming for mine.
Yeah.
Coming for mine, eh? Oh.
Oh shit, over the top here. No?
Oh, they got me good. A bit tentative, aren't they, these ones? They're just not quite sure.
Oh yeah, got him.
Got him?
Got him. Yep, he's a good one.
Another one behind him at all?
Oh, not that I can see.
No.
Oh yeah, this is a good one, Pete. Oh yeah. Looks like a female.
Look how brown. Very dark, that squid, look at that. Nice, mate. Oh, you changed your squid jig colour, did you?
I did. I went to a bit of a purple sort of AU colour. And yeah, got 2 on them now.
Alright, probably need to do a clean up at the moment. But it's just too hard to leave when you got squid stacked up behind the boat. The longer I leave this, the harder it's going to get this ink out of the carpet, so I better get into it.
I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you can see all the bait in the water.
Yeah,
that's definitely where these squid are.
Yeah, big school. Well, that's why I initially cast out here. I saw some bait flicking.
Yeah.
I thought, oh, I'll give that a bit of a work over. All right, last cast, and I'll.
It's like anything, isn't it? That the fish come for the bait, the squid come for the bait.
Current, bait, structure. I think they're your 3 major components. We've got a bit of current here. Obviously, structure is this coral, and yeah, we've got some bait here, and here we are. Another what? 3 or 4, I think, in a school. All right, I'll start cleaning up. All right, the only problem with squid fishing is squid ink. So we got the first quite a few in the shallows, and then these come out in the deeper water, so it pays to work both. Right. Got him. Yeah, good boy. I'll cast. He's good sized squid too, I think. See if he's got a mate on him. That's a cracker, man.
Oh, that's fitting.
That is a big squiddo, Shane. Nice.
Liking that colour.
That's a solid squid, dude. Woo! All water.
I knew he was coming.
Sick.
I feel it coming.
That's a cracking squid, man. Nice. I think we're done here. There's one. Another good squid.
Done yet, mate?
Called it too early.
Called it.
You're right, you go in that rock, I'll get him. That's another good squid. You drop the net, I'll get him. Yeah, it's a cracker squid. You dump that out there, my friend. All right, another very nice tiger there, trying to eat me. Some really quality squid around at the moment. Very nice squid. All right, time to go catch a fish before that sun goes down, I think. All right, hot session on the squid there. A couple of fish on the way home. If you want any more info on catching squid in Moreton Bay, come and see Shane and the boys at Charltons out at Red Bank. And we'll catch you next time. Peter at EJ Todd. Catch you guys.